Hi, my name is Gary. I'm the VP of International Support. I give Adobe Audition 5 stars out of 5 stars. And for more reviews like this, click below. Before getting on to Adobe Audition, we had a look at a number of different products. I'm trying to recall the name of the products. Some of them are built into video editing tools, like for instance Roxio had noise reduction and compression and some reverb and things like that. We looked at Cakewalk. We looked at a product called Sonar. We looked at I think Isotope was also there, and basically, yeah, we just ended up with Adobe Audition because it beat all the others out. Adobe Audition for our application appeared to be purpose-built. There were other products that did similar things, and they may have done them just as well. But there was so much functionality and there were so many abstractions around it, where with the interface, the GUI for Adobe Audition, we got right to where we wanted to be. If it was noise reduction, there's an effects panel and click, you're there and you're directly into it. Other products, there's gyrations, there's nested menus, that sort of thing. So that gets down to ease of use. The other factor with it is configurability. Other tools had, for instance, noise reduction tools that were based on fingerprinting. So they take a fingerprint of the noise and then they reduce that noise. However, you had no control over how deep it went. So in our application, we needed to adjust that. Sometimes we needed like, if it's 60 hertz hum that was coming from, I don't know, an amplifier, we needed that completely notched out and out of the mix. If it was something like ambient noise, you can't take too much of that away, or whoever you're interviewing or talking to, or maybe it's a singer, it just starts to sound unnatural. So ease of use and the ability to control things and fine-tune what the product was doing. Pretty easy with Adobe Audition. The original version we had of it was before they went to a subscription model. You simply loaded it up and you're off to the races. As far as, gee, I don't remember any gyrations with device managers or DLLs or anything like that. We just loaded it up and it worked. So pretty easy. As far as learning curve goes, again, intuitive. I mean, you need a bit of a background in audio engineering, or in our case, video as well. But even with the most rudimentary background, people could figure out the tools and figure out how to use it and be effective with it. For other people that are considering it, I'm pretty sure Adobe still has a trial period where you can try it for a discrete amount of time. I think it used to be 30 days. I don't know, I haven't looked for a long time. Go out there, download it, kick it around, use it for 30 days, and I pretty much guarantee if you're solid on your criteria and which you need it to do, you'll choose the tool within a couple of hours of using it. It just works, it's simple, and there's not a whole bunch of clutter.